If you're looking for the best AI software to break down and remix your music, the newly released free music Demixer AI might just be the game changer you need. Today, I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, who should be using it, and how it can revolutionize your music projects. Plus, stay tuned because I'm sharing some insider details that could save you a lot of time. Now, before we dive deep, if you're curious about testing this software, I've linked it for free in the description below, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's get into it. First off, the free Music Demixer AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to separate audio tracks into individual stems. So if you've ever wanted to extract vocals, drums, bass, or other elements from a song, this tool makes it incredibly easy. It's one of the most accurate tools out there right now, and it's absolutely free to use. What sets this software apart is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any deep knowledge of music production to use it effectively. The interface is simple, intuitive, and works directly in your browser. No complicated setups, no plugins. Just upload your track and it will separate it for you within minutes. Another standout feature is the quality of the audio separation. Whether you're a music producer, DJ, or just a hobbyist, the separation quality is crucial. With free Music Demixer AI, you can expect crisp and clear individual tracks that can be edited, remixed, or sampled without distortion or overlapping sounds. If you've used other demixing software in the past, you'll quickly realize this one has a level of precision that's hard to beat. What's even better is the speed. While some tools can take a long time to process your files, free Music Demixer AI gets the job done in no time. Whether you're working with short clips or full-length tracks, it handles them all with ease, ensuring you don't waste time waiting around. If you're working with a large library of music, you'll appreciate how the free Music Demixer AI can handle bulk uploads. This is perfect for music producers or anyone who needs to separate multiple tracks quickly. You can upload your entire batch, and the AI will process them one by one, saving you hours of manual work. One thing you'll love is that the free Music Demixer AI is available for free. No hidden charges, no limited trials. It's truly a fully functioning AI tool that anyone can use without worrying about subscriptions or in-app purchases. It's one of the most accessible tools out there right now, especially for beginners or anyone just starting out in music production. And finally, while the software does an incredible job of separating your tracks, it's also worth noting that it allows you to export those stems into multiple file formats. Whether you're using them for personal remixing, DJ sets, or full-on music production, the export options are versatile and designed for professionals. Now that you know all about the free Music Demixer AI, make sure to try it out for yourself using the link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this one is genuinely unique in its ability to handle audio separation with speed, precision, and a user-friendly design. If you're serious about music production, this could save you a lot of time and frustration. Before you go, I also have a list of other top-rated AI software options linked in the description, and these are all ones I've personally tested and recommend after working with countless other tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore these game-changing tools yourself.